Welcome. This is my desk, not just where I work, but where I slow down, focus deeply, and reset my mind. Nothing here is loud, nothing here is accidental. Every tool has one job to support calm and intentional work. Let me walk you through it. I don't believe productivity comes from doing more, it comes from removing friction. This desk is designed to reduce decisions, reduce visual noise, and protect attention. If something doesn't earn its place, it doesn't stay. At the center of my desk is 4K Lenovo monitor. High resolution means less strain and more space. More breathing room for eyes. It's mounted on a monitor arm, so the screen floats at eye level. It ensures no neck tension and no compromises. Behind it, a monitor backlight creates a soft glow, especially useful at the night. And the top, a monitor bar light keeps the desk evenly lit, without harsh overhead lighting. Light should support the focus, not fight it. My main machine is MacBook M3 Pro. It sits on a laptop holder and a riser stand, aligned perfectly to the monitor. This keeps my posture neutral and my workflow seamless. It's fast, silent, and dependable, which means I don't think about it, and that's the best compliment a tool can get. Keyboard and mouse. These are the tools I touch the most. The Logitech MX Keys Mini is compact, quiet, and precise. Every keystroke feels deliberate. The Logitech MX mouse fits naturally in the hand and reduces fatigue over long sessions. Together, they disappear, letting work take the center stage. Sound shapes mood. For ambient music and light listening, I use Edifier speakers. They stay subtle, never distracting. And when I need isolation, I switch to Sony XM6 Headphones. Noise fades, focus sharpen, and the world stays outside. Microphone, the voice with the intent. For recording purpose, I use the Maono PD300XT dynamic microphone. It captures my voice clearly without demanding a studio perfect environment. Dynamic mics are forgiving, perfect for calm desk setup. I can speak naturally without worrying about the noises. This is my vertical laptop stand. It has multiple slots, which makes it surprisingly versatile. While working, I use it to hold my Mac and my Windows laptop side by side. When they are idle, they stay upright, protected, and out of the way. I also use it to store my keyboard when I am not working, a simple habit that keeps the desk clean and the keys safe. It's a small tool, but it creates a lot of space physically and mentally. Less clutter, more focus. Good organization isn't about adding more things, it's about making better use of what you already have. Most cables are hidden. What the eyes doesn't sees, doesn't steal attention. I ensure not to keep any items below my monitor so that the desk stays open, clean and breathable. This desk isn't about fancy gears, it's about intention. Calm isn't something you find, it's something you design. This is my calm stack. Thanks for being here. See you in next video.